Cheese, cheese, cheese.
Tell me the story.
Okay.
Tell Grandpa your story.
Okay. Once upon a time, there was a little a bird that said quack, quack. And she quacked, quack, quack, quack. He found a little room, and he found a little dodo with his little fishing pole. Hey, I know this story. Okay. How the story goes. And you got to say, walk, 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 walk. And you have to dip your hands in the sun. And you paint like this. Wash your hands. Look, listen to the story.
The end?
Now it's telling you the fly story. Fly story. Any fly story you want. Which fly story do you want me to tell you?
The bumblebee.
Okay. The bumblebee. The bumblebee flies in that tree. He had his food stand in the tree. He had. He always had some flowers. He looked at the flowers and she had the bumblebee was flying. He saw a little book.
That's the end?
The end.
The end.